Glucose resistance. For the purposes of my extended essay, I realized a study in the biology field, and more specifically in microbiology. Microbiology is the study of microscopic organisms. The microorganism I studied was the bacterium Enterobacter asbestii and its biological resistance. A biological resistance is an organism's ability to support an agent that is normally hostile to them. This agent can be designed to kill them or inhibit them. The development of a biological resistance can help an organism survive in a specific environment. An example of resistance is antibiotic resistance. Some bacteria can indeed become resistant to antibiotics after an exposure. A biological resistance is usually due to a random gene mutation. Gene mutations can occur without any specific purposes, and if by chance a mutation is useful to an organism, meaning it increases its chances of survival, like a resistance, then the mutation will be kept by the organism and passed on to the next generations. This is what we call resistance acquisition. The first type of resistance acquisition is horizontal transfer. A bacterium can transfer a mutation to another bacterium simply by physical contact. The second type of resistance acquisition is caused by bacterial multiplication. Hence, the mutation will simply be passed on to the next generations. For my extended essay, I studied the glucose resistance of the bacterium Enterobacter asbestii, meaning her capacity to survive in an environment that is highly concentrated in glucose. Note that a bacterium needs glucose to produce energy and survive. However, a great concentration of glucose is dangerous for the bacterium and it could kill the bacterium. To increase the chances of the development of a biological resistance, I use a specific microbiology technique named bacterial streaking. I took a sample from a microbiological culture and put it in another one that is more concentrated in glucose, then another one, and another one, until the bacterium can survive in an environment that is highly concentrated in glucose. After every streak, the bacterium is exposed progressively to a more concentrated environment, and the chances of the development of a resistance are increased, and so are the chances to develop a stronger bacterium.